All right, so sneakerhead on wheels, back at it with another one. Um, yeah. So today I've got a special little pair of kicks for you today. Uh, yeah. So Nike SB Dunk High Strawberry Cough. Um, yeah, these things are dope. I love them. I mean, supposed to release on 420 this year, but I mean, some people say that they didn't release it because of the coughing, and with COVID-19. I don't know if that's the reason. I mean, I wouldn't be bothered by releasing these fire ass kicks just because there's a little bit of a strawberry coughing on it. But I guess Nike's got to be tiptoe around certain things and not cause a scene. But long story short, they're here, they're sick, and there's a lot of detail that goes into this pair of kicks. My favorite part got to be the translucent see-through sole. Man, this is my favorite part of any shoe that has this thing. Um, yeah, like I love just crisp, see-through. It's just like ice. I mean, but I really like I haven't seen a pair of shoes that actually has it like completely see through down to the stitching where you can actually see the bottom of the shoe. Um, and yeah, and it's almost like I don't know, like it's the on the inside it looks like it's got little nubs like for like where the grips are that almost look like something that would be on a strawberry. Maybe that's the whole point of it. But yeah, no, these are sick. Like, also the other detail I love about these things is how it has two of these. I don't even know what really technically what they're called, but the I don't know this tongue like thing on the side of the shoe. I like how it's doubled up, and it's really like a type of fabric that looks like weed. Yeah, it's pretty sick. And then yeah, some other details about it. Um, this whole part it actually has like a texture like it's a strawberry. Um, yeah, it's pretty cool. Buttery leather. Um, this is kind of like a yeah, it's a nice other type of leather. It's kind of like it's not like this type of leather. It's a little different, but it's also um, you know how on the Nike SB Dunk ISOs, like the orange labels, some of the suede is buttery. It's kind of like that, but it's more of a leather. I don't know how to explain it. But long story short, they're dope. I like how it comes with the laces, the laces that come in it, and two extra sets. One that looks like the color of weed, and then one that looks like the color of strawberries. Um, and it's almost like it comes in a dime baggie, which just goes more towards the whole it's a weed shoe kind of thing. Um, and it looks like a nice big nug, you know? Like, I mean, you can't go wrong. But yeah, white tongue. The tongue actually fades from like white, pure white, down to towards the toe box. It's like more of a red. Like it's kind of like fades into a red, which is a cool detail. The inside of the shoe has a little imprint. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you that, but um, yeah, I'm probably not going to be able to because I'm a quad and I got quad fingers. Um, but yeah, and then inside of it, it has a little stash pocket on the back of the tongue, which is also cool. I mean, it's weed. It's a weed shoe, so you gotta have a pocket for your weed. You know what I mean? Um, yeah. What else? Um, yeah, I love the little strawberry there. And then on the back of the heel, it's got that little heel tab. It's kind of like a yeah, it's a cool little fabric pull tab. Um, yeah. But yeah, Nike SB High, Dunk, Strawberry Cough. I mean, yeah, I'll switch over to the GoPro so you have a better up close personal look at it. Um, but yeah, so I'll switch over that now. So here is those bad boys. Up close and personal. Strawberry leather. Nice leather toe. Toe that goes from white. And if you can see it fade into the red toe. It's got some pretty nice what fabric on the inside, nice and looks like snugly warm. You know what I mean? It's almost like the what's it called, Cliver dunk clothes, where it's kind of like a Christmas shoe. It's got like that same type of fabric on the back. Got that little tab to pull on the heel. You've got your shoelaces that look like nuggets in a dime bag. You got the crisp, icy sole. Yeah, yeah. There. Got the double. Um, Again, not too sure what it's called, but the little tabs on the side that are doubled up. And yeah, basically, that's that. Let me open this up so I can put this down for a second so that you can get a good look at the icy sole. You know what I mean? Yeah, let me just like that. You know, see through. You see like towards the toe, how it has like this like X kind of like pokey out stuff. I don't know. That reminds me a little bit like a strawberry. You know what I mean? But I don't know why. But yeah, like if you look on the side, it has those little inlets. I don't know if that's just how dunks are at the bottom, but I've never noticed it because I haven't had an icy clear sole before. Yeah, the green part goes all the way down to the heel. You got a little strawberry man, you know, coughing. So doing that potent strain, you know what I mean? He's coughing a lung. Anyways, yeah, there's that other side. Also, green is just kind of like it's kind of like a weed texture. And yeah, and that's basically that. It's pretty smooth. Yeah, and that's that. I hope you enjoyed this little review. Can't forget about the box. Yeah, it comes with the super colorful Nike SB box. I like the colorful boxes. I think this is actually like the first pair that I got the colorful boxes. But yeah, I really like it. Yeah, but here is one last look at these fire kicks. Yeah, I'd give you an on feet, but them things ain't gonna fit on my feet. As you notice, it's a size 10. Um, would like to trade it up for my size, but I don't think I'm gonna find someone for that, so I'm probably gonna have to sell them to buy them. Hey, so I hope you enjoyed this little review. The Nike SB Dunk High Strawberry Cough 6 shoe details are really sick. I mean, I wish this shoe was in my size 'cause I would rock the shit out of them. Um, but yeah, I mean, if you guys are ever wondering why I wear sunglasses without lenses in them, it's not for style. Don't get me wrong. They actually control my computer. I've got a little head mouse on top of my computer that follows this little dot in the middle of the frames. It's just a little sticker I put on a pair of frames. And when I move my head, it moves my mouse. So if you ever see me wearing these in the video on any of my videos, that's why. Um, But yeah, I just thought I'd let you guys know that. I'm not one of those kids that wear it without lenses for style. But yeah, that's what I got for you today. Sneakerhead on wheels, out. One last little detail. Guess what the only good thing about being in a wheelchair is? I never screw up my kicks, you know what I mean? They're fresh, dead stock, always, never touch the ground. But yeah, I mean, gotta look at the glass half full, you know what I mean? Anyways, I hope you all have a good rest of your night. Peace. Yep. Say hello and goodbye, Mr. Strawberry. Peace.